Hey, this is Phil and it's your Friday video update. So another just kind of level week for interest rates, nothing too big to report there. So I wanted to spend today's video on Fannie Mae HomeStyle Renovation loans. You know, most people think of FHA 203K when they think of renovation loans, and you know, as we know, although FHA is a good program and there are times where that's an appropriate loan, FHA, you know, changed their mortgage insurance requirements that the mortgage insurance has to be paid for the life of the loan. And sometimes that's not such a great thing for buyers and they don't like that. Well, guess what? Fannie Mae has their new HomeStyle Renovation loan. I say new, it's not that new. But what they have done is they've increased the loan to value. You can now go up to 97% on a HomeStyle renovation. And that's 97% of the as completed value or of the acquisition cost plus the cost of renovations, whichever is less. You can also use this loan not only for purchase, you can use it for refinance to do some additional renovations on the home. It can be used on second homes, and it can even be used for an investor. The loan to values are lower for investor, and it wouldn't be the kind of loan you'd want to use for a flip, but certainly an investment property that an investor plans to hold on to and rent that needs some work, or one they've already owned and they want to do some updates, great loan for this. So if you need more information on this, please give me a call. I'll be more than happy to talk you through it, provide you with some documentation or some numbers on a particular property. But next time you're thinking renovation, or you have a customer who's looking to buy and renovate a home, this is a great program, and you can even finance in up to 6 months of the mortgage payment to pay for that mortgage while the home is in renovation and can't be occupied. So give me a call. Thanks for listening. If there's anything else I can do to help you with this or qualifying a borrower for a purchase, getting ready for the hot spring market, I'd love to help you. Thanks for listening, and I'll talk to you next week.